Good afternoon, traders. If you watched the video from earlier, which was a live trade recap on ticker symbol ON, you know that as of the end of that video, the trade was not finished. The trade was still playing out. And my plan says that when that happens, that I just leave my bracket orders out there and let them either hit my stop loss or my profit target. So I just wanted to give you an update on what happened with that trade. So my plan was to open up Webull at around 3:45 Eastern time to see what was going on. And at that time, I was actually still in the trade. It had not hit my stop loss. My stop loss is right there. So the idea that I had was if I don't get stopped out before the market closes, then I would just close the orders and get out right before the market close for a small loss or whatever. And the stop loss just got hit, let's see, around 352, and I can show you the orders. Let me see here on the order assistant. So you can see here at 3:52 p.m. order filled notice. Your order to sell one share of ON has been filled at 43.34. My original stop loss was 43.35, so we got 1 cent slippage, which is absolutely nothing on a stock of this price. So everything went exactly according to plan. And I did not waste my day watching this ticker symbol. I went about my business and then came back here around 3:45 to see what was going on, and that was the plan all along. You could see that my profit target was up here at 45.99. We never got anywhere near hitting that. And my ideal profit target, meaning if I didn't get any slippage whatsoever on my entry, would have been 45.78. Still didn't get anywhere near that. So this is just a great example of a trade that gives you a good setup, meets all your criteria, pops up on your screener, and fails, which does happen. In fact, it happens more often than not. And that's why I trade all or nothing 2R, which means that I only need better than a 33% win rate to break even. So anything above that, or sorry, to be profitable, I need 33% to break even. Anything above that, I'm profitable. And that's why I use all or nothing 2Rs, because I know that even this best setup and these best criteria that I've been able to come up with as far as being a reliable trade setup is still not that reliable. It doesn't even work 50% of the time. So how can you be profitable if you're taking a setup that doesn't work more than 50% of the time? You have to have a risk management system that allows your trades to fail more often than they win, so that you're profitable. And that's what we did here. So anyway, I can show you quickly the spreadsheet. I don't think I was able to put in all the data yet, but you can see here I marked it out in red. We have obviously turned in a 0% win rate today, but the impact of it is not that large overall because it was only one single trade. And that was also by plan, because my plan was just to focus on that one stock because it did look so strong. If I got stopped out before 10:30 a.m., I was going to take the next entry and see if that went to 2R. And you can see that this thing actually did give quite a bit of 2R trades in it, but it just did not work out for me because my stop loss was below this red candle. I entered on this candle. This was where my stop loss was, and it never hit it until the very end of the day. And in order for me to take another entry, another trade on it, it would have to get hit before 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. So the impact that that's had on the test trading is, again, like I said, not very much. The overall average of all these win rate days is 51%. Break even's 33%. We now have 56 trades. The win percentage of all of our trades with error trades and everything is 41%. Not that big of a deal. And then the win rate after 3 trades, let me update this really quickly, is now slightly lower, 46%, still way above break even. And this goes down a little bit because now we have only won 10 out of 25. So again, everything is above break even. Everything is profitable. And if we were trading with full position size, we would be up 13 times our risk with all the error trades, with what happened today, everything. If I only been trading 3 trades from the very beginning, we'd be up 18 times our risk. So this is just one trade. Don't let it bog you down. If you have a plan that you're trading that you know is profitable, at least so far, here we know after 56 trades that this thing is profitable. There's no reason to change it just because something like this happened. Good setups fail, and as I said before, they fail more often than they work out. That's just the nature of the beast, and that's why you need to have a risk management that allows you to lose more trades than you win. All right, so let me know if you have any questions about that trade or this plan or the spreadsheet or the data, anything like that, and I'll get back to you in the comment section. Hit the like button if this was helpful to you. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And no matter what, always go into every single trade with a plan and stick to that plan no matter what. That's what I did today, and everything worked out according to plan. I got stopped out at -1R, which is fine. That's part of the plan. And we live to trade another day, and that's the way it goes. So stick to your plan no matter what. Always take your stop losses, honor your profit target, and in the long run, you should be green. Take care.